really quick video of the current state of build 1226 for the bot. Um, I've got multiple windows here. I've got a task window, a proxy window, and a navigation window. We can navigate with Google so you know exactly where you want to go. Alrighty, here we are. So let's say we want to go to men's shoes at Foot Locker. And let's say we want to look at this shoe here, very nice shoe. And we say, okay, fine. No, I don't want that. Say, okay, fine. I want to pursue this shoe when it comes through. All right, so fine. We've got the page we want that we're looking at. We're going to go over here and make a task, and we're going to use a proxy system, and we're going to update the search on this to every 4 seconds. So every 4 seconds it will go out. You can see the task manager here. The task is done. We've already got a response. We've got the underlying proxy code in the communication code has already gotten a response back. Let's see what we got. So yeah, every 4 seconds it will hit this page until we get what we want, till we get the response that we want on the page, and then we can go from there. But in the process now, we've got the navigation up, tasks, as many tasks as you can take, uh, proxies or no proxies. You can add a proxy list if you going up to the proxy manager. If you wanted to, you can get your own list of proxies that you saved on your hard drive, load them up into here, and then they will all populate this area here. Let's see if I even have. I've got a list of proxies that I'd had from before. Boom, there's a whole bunch of proxies, and each proxy gets used. When it gets used, it will say true. When it's not used, it's false, and it will just propagate down the proxy list. I'm going to have some ability to refresh the proxies if we want. We'll do some proxy manipulation, so multiple tasks can use the same proxy if we want it to. Anyway, trying to keep this short. Basically, the navigation logic is in, the launching logic is in. I just need to put in some logic for the purchasing and when to flag on a purchasing. It does solve some captures right now. Let's see what we got. For example, I'll hit a new task here, and we are just going to go to um, well, let's find our ISP. No, I'm sorry, that's not where we will go to this one. Find our ISP. We're going to use we're going to do this once because I don't want to hit these guys once. And so I'll update a task there. It goes out, makes a connection. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. We'll find out if this proxy is any good. We haven't gotten a response back from that proxy yet. It's probably no good. Let's try another proxy and clone the task. One of these will come through eventually, or maybe not. I've got a bad batch of proxies, to be honest with you. Anyway, so when it responds, um, oh, I cloned a Foot Locker, so I've got multiple Foot Lockers that that I'm going after here, and this one didn't respond, but this one did. I'm not quite sure where it came out of. I had one proxy that apparently was in France. Anyway, so it gives you the ability to clone multiple tasks. It gives you the ability, so I can go up to this one. I should be able to clone that task over and over again and go from there. I need to update some things, but it allows you to do lots of manipulation and go out there and hit the target that you want many times. Anyway, enough said. It's in progress. It's moving forward, um, and I'm really enjoying this whole project. And lots of proxies there. Might be something you'd be interested in. Touch base with me. It's not only for sneakers, other things that you can only buy drops on online. So here you go. Thank you much. Bye bye.